Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. Today, I'll be teaching you how to do an invisible join, a single crochet invisible join, or what I like to call a fake single crochet. You have your project and the instruction states to do a fake single crochet or an invisible join. This is what I like to do. So leave a bit of yarn and cut it off. From here, what I will do is I'm going to thread the yarn right through, like that. So now you're left with the yarn tail end and your project. You're going to grab a tapestry needle and thread it right through for sewing. For this part, what you're going to do is not actually work in the single crochet that's next. You're going to be working in this stitch right here. So you're skipping one stitch and going into the second one. From the front of your project, you're going to put your tapestry needle right through. Pull it right through there. So into the second stitch. So now you have a fake front loop right here. Then what you're going to do next is with your needle, you're going to then go back to the original stitch, the one where the thread was coming through. You're going to go right through the center and through the back loop. And what you're going to do is slightly pull on it. And now you have a fake single crochet. So it's going to look a little lopsided, but when you're using this method, when you sew, it looks pretty good. So you can adjust it, fix it however you'd like to, and it looks relatively nice. So we're going to try it one more time. We are going to go through the front and through both loops of the stitch. And then what we're going to do is in the original stitch where the yarn came from, I'm going to go through the center, through the back loop, just like that. Now fix the tension, you're going to have this. And then what I like to do is grab my yarn and work through any loops on the back side of the project, as it won't be seen usually. Then go right through, create a little knot. And afterwards, you can either cut that yarn end or keep it. And that should be it.